If you've been using Asana for a while but have now decided to move on to another tool or simply don't need it anymore, you might be wondering how to cancel your account. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can deactivate your Asana account quickly and with no confusion. The first thing you'll want to do is open your web browser and head over to the Asana login page. Enter the email address associated with your account, click Continue, and then type in your password. Once logged in, you'll land on your Asana homepage. From here, look to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile picture or account icon. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, select Settings. This will take you into your account settings where you can manage different aspects of your profile. Inside the Settings window, click on the Account tab. Scroll down until you see the option that says Deactivate Account. When you click on this option, Asana will ask you to confirm your decision. This step is important because once your account is deactivated, the action is permanent. That means you'll lose access to your account and all of its data, so make sure this is really what you want before moving forward. If you're ready, go ahead and confirm by clicking Deactivate. And that's it. Now your Asana account will now be closed. Should you ever want to use Asana again, you'll need to create a brand new account, and there you have it. A simple and straightforward way to cancel your Asana account in just a few clicks. I hope this guide made the process clear and easy for you. If you found it helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.